Earn money testing apps, a lucrative side hustle. In today's digital age, smartphones have become ubiquitous, and mobile apps have revolutionized the way we live, work, and connect. What if you could earn money by simply using these apps? App testing presents a fantastic opportunity to earn extra income from the comfort of your home. It's a simple concept. You use new apps, provide feedback, and get paid for your time. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just looking for a side hustle, app testing offers a flexible and accessible way to boost your income. The demand for app testers is higher than ever before. With millions of apps available on app stores, developers rely heavily on user feedback to improve their products. By becoming an app tester, you become an invaluable part of the app development process, helping to shape the digital landscape. Not only can you earn money, but you'll also get a sneak peek at the latest apps before they hit the market. The power of user feedback, shaping the app experience. Why is user feedback so crucial for app developers? Imagine downloading an app only to find it confusing, glitchy, or frustrating to use. As a user, you would likely abandon the app and leave a negative review. Developers understand this and invest significant resources in ensuring their apps are user-friendly and meet the needs of their target audience. This is where app testers come in. By providing honest and detailed feedback, app testers help developers identify and fix bugs, improve app design, and enhance the overall user experience. Your insights as an app tester directly contribute to making apps more enjoyable and intuitive for everyone. Your feedback can make the difference between an app's success and failure. Getting started, your journey to becoming an app tester. Becoming an app tester is surprisingly easy and requires no special technical skills or experience. Numerous platforms connect app developers with testers like you. Start by signing up on reputable app testing websites or apps. These platforms typically require you to create a profile, indicating your device type, operating system, and interests. Once you've created your profile, you'll start receiving invitations to test various apps. These invitations usually include information about the app, the testing tasks, and the payment offered. You can choose the testing opportunities that appeal to you and fit your schedule. After testing the app, you'll provide your feedback through surveys, bug reports, or video recordings. Section 4. Flexibility and freedom. Work from home at your own pace. One of the most attractive aspects of app testing is its flexibility. As an app tester, you're your own boss. You can choose when and where you want to work. Whether you prefer testing apps during your morning commute, during your lunch break, or late at night, the choice is entirely yours. This flexibility makes app testing an ideal side hustle for individuals with busy schedules or those seeking additional income without compromising their existing commitments. Furthermore, app testing allows you to work from anywhere with an internet connection. You can test apps from the comfort of your home, a cozy coffee shop, or even while traveling. This freedom and mobility empower you to earn money on your terms, breaking free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind. Section 5. App testing, a vital part of the tech ecosystem. App testing is not merely a way to earn extra cash, it's an integral part of the ever-evolving tech industry. As technology advances at an unprecedented pace, so does the demand for new and innovative apps. Every app you test contributes to the growth and advancement of the tech world. Your feedback helps shape the future of mobile applications, influencing the way we interact with technology in our daily lives. Moreover, app testing provides valuable insights into user behavior and preferences, which are essential for market research and app development strategies. By participating in app testing, you become a part of a global community of tech enthusiasts and contribute to shaping the future of the digital landscape. Section 6. Tips for success. Maximizing your earning potential. While app testing is generally straightforward, a few tips can help you maximize your earning potential and stand out as a reliable tester. First and foremost, provide detailed and constructive feedback. Instead of simply stating that you dislike an app's design, explain why you find it unappealing and suggest improvements. The more valuable your feedback, the more likely you are to receive invitations for future testing opportunities. Secondly, be reliable and meet deadlines. App developers rely on testers to provide feedback within a specific time frame. By consistently delivering high-quality feedback on time, you'll build a positive reputation within the app testing community. Lastly, Be patient and persistent. Earning a substantial income from app testing takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't receive numerous testing invitations initially. As you gain experience and build your reputation, you'll likely see an increase in testing opportunities and earnings.